Gold hits $3,500 for the first time. Trump's war on Powell sparks market chaos. Gold just smashed through $3,500 an ounce. A historic first. But behind this record high, there's a political, fiery showdown. Today, we break down how Donald Trump's attacks on the Fed chair, Jay Powell, are sending shockwaves through the markets, through your wallet. So let's dig in. Why is gold skyrocketing? 3 words. Fear, inflation, and chaos. When markets panic, investors race to gold. The ultimate safe haven. It doesn't matter if you're a small fry investor with your couple of $100,000 in your pension, or whether you're the big sheik with billions. You're moving out and you're moving into gold. And many people have been doing this for some time. But this time, there's a twist. If we think of the timeline of gold, $1,800 2020, $2,400 2023, $3,500 now. What's inflation? 4.2%. There's been Middle East tensions. We got dollar weakness. It's all kicking off everywhere. We know it. Yet experts say a big surge and there's more potential upside. And this ties directly to Trump's bombshell comments last week and his pointed attack on the Fed chair. So let's replay the moment that lit the fuse. Jay Powell's the worst Fed chair in history. He's killing America with these ridiculous rates. Then, as in usual Trump style that we're all used to, he doubled down and threw further barbs, including Mr. Too Late and he's a major loser. And he's also said Powell's termination cannot come fast enough. The impact of Trump's rants have gone viral, as expected, and markets have freaked out. Well, why? Because Powell's Fed controls interest rates, which dictate everything from mortgages to the dollar's strength. Attack the Fed and you attack global confidence. And maybe that's the desired outcome, to shake up global confidence. And maybe we could look at this and think, well, would Trump care if everyone's paying more on their mortgages? Probably not. Does he want the dollar weaker? Highly likely. It's already come off a lot, but it doesn't hurt the exports if you go lower on the dollar, does it? Investors are betting political meddling will force reckless rate cuts, or worse, a policy civil war. While gold soars, the rest of the market's bleeding. Just look at the S&P and how much that's down. And look how much the dollar's sank against the yen, the euro, and continues to. It's sunk to a 3-year low as the exodus from US assets gathers pace. Trump's rhetoric undermines Fed independence. And we can talk about and debate and blah, blah, blah about whether that's his intention or not. Who knows what's going on in his head? Maybe this is all intentional. And maybe it is just mass market manipulation. Who knows? Who cares? But if investors think rates are politically rigged, they'll flee to gold. And the fallout could last years. This isn't just about Trump versus Powell. It's about trust in the system. So where do we go from here? Scenario 1. Powell ignores Trump. He stays the course. Gold cools. Stays where it is. Drops a bit. Stays around the levels. Scenario 2. Trump's pressure works. Rates drop like a rock. Then gold potentially goes up to 4,500. So we have a bull case here. 4,000 plus. Trump wins. And the Fed caves in. Bear case. 3,000, maybe lower. Correction there. Powell holds firm. Inflation eases. What do you think? Either way, buckle up. This battle's just getting started. And let's be honest, your portfolio and everybody else's are in the crosshairs. So do you want to profit from the chaos? Make your decision. And most importantly, subscribe. Hit that button now.